What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Dadlife. In this video, part 2 of the Plastidip Corvette project. Let's go. What's up, dude? There's a Get it. All right, YouTube, what do we have? We are 2 coats into the Plastidip outside. Not the best conditions, but we are making do. We've had people walking by with dogs. We've had kids, people on bikes. This has been crazy, all while I'm trying to watch my 3-year-old. So yeah, we've had overspray. We have the beautiful viewers of the Dip Your Car Facebook community. Go check them out. They're watching live. Yeah, it ain't perfect, but we're getting there. We gotta get coverage up here. And we gotta get better coverage down there. Underneath is always a pain. So yeah, it is what it is. So let's spray away. All right. Back to YouTube. All right, Dadlife viewers, sorry, I am going live on the dipyourcar.com Facebook page, so I'm kind of back and forth. We are at coat number 4. It's not about coats though, it's about the product and the amount you lay. And that is not going to cover because dip is pretty smooth when laid. So unfortunately my boo-boo is going to stay, but let's see where we're at, guys. Let's spray another coat. Alright guys, let's see how it turned out for those interested. Gunmetal gray was the first piece done. And then here is the matte black. Not too shabby. Here's the teardrop. Ignore this. My car was backed in a parking lot a couple years ago. And here's the teardrop. So now I got to match it to this side. I have to wet sand this quarter panel and then start work on this side. Alright guys, thanks a lot again for watching the video. Please like the video if you're enjoying the content, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel. We're going to continue with the Plastidip project on the Corvette, and then we're going to see what else we can hop back into in the next coming months. So thanks again for watching. This has been another episode of Dadlife. Ow.